Hello everyone, welcome to Newspaper Analysis at Borthapur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparations. Today we will be analyzing some of the important news from the Assam Tribune dated 24th March 2021 along with some other important news. In the description box below we have provided the link for the e-paper so that you can download it from there. Please like and share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first news of today is from the editorial section. This news is regarding the polluted cities of our country. We all know pollution is a matter of global concern because nowadays pollution and health hazard, they go hand in hand, and more than 40% of the deaths around the world are attributed to pollution. Aru eta kotha mon koribo logia je this pollution is a severe issue, especially in the developing countries, because here environment protection norms are not followed strictly. Development activities bilak besi yate hoi thake. People are using substances, industries and fossil industries besi ase, fossil fuels are used besi, and that's why they are adding to the pollution level, right? Every day the level of pollution is increasing. Tar various pollutants thake, source of pollution thake, okay? Water and air pollution are two major aspects of pollution which is affecting our environment. Delhi, the national capital, has a reputation of being the world's most polluted city. Along with it, there are many other states and cities which are highly affected, and because of this growing pollution trend, children are suffering a lot from various respiratory ailments, okay, and they are also vulnerable to various other diseases, and this has made them very vulnerable towards many other diseases, and this has also hampered their growth and development. Etia coming to not just Delhi, even the northeastern states, especially amar Ahomoto pollution level bahut besi badhi goise. Agote jitu pollution control board hoy tar pora eta teoloke report korisile je Guwahati along with 4 other towns, Nalbari, Nagaon, Silchar and Sivsagar, these are polluted cities and they do not meet the required air pollution norms. Hekarne air quality decline, air quality degrade hoye goi ase, especially Guwahati last decade or pra 10 bosor etar pra bahut besi air quality beya hoy goise. Yat jitu level hoy particulate matters or especially respirable suspended particulate matter and suspended particulate matter, yar level to khodai prescribed limit ke besi thaka dekha goise in the last decade, and therefore it is high time we take strict measures to control pollution, okay, so that we can save ourselves and our future generation from this deadly global concern. Aru pollution kyo hoy? Because of certain effluents, right? Water pollution or beleg causes thake, soil pollution or beleg cause thake, air pollution or beleg cause thake. Water or air pollution or bikhoy moi olopman koi disu. Causes of water pollution includes industrial waste, because industry pra jikhini byproducts ba jikhini waste material ulai, these are directly dumped into the water bodies, okay, without segregation of the chemical toxic substances. This causes a chemical imbalance in the water leading to death of aquatic beings, and also this particular water, if it gets used for household purpose, that makes the people who are using it, they fall sick. Next is use of pesticides and insecticides. Agriculture purpose or karne pesticides and insecticides use hoy, and because of that serious kisuman chemical elements like potassium, nitrogen, okay, lead, enekwa dhoroner kisuman phosphorus, enekwa dhoroner kisuman chemical that water bodies are dump hoy jay, and this leads to pollution. Washing of clothes near lakes and rivers, etu agor pra hoye ase, okay, and this leads to eutrophication, which blocks the sunlight from entering water, and because of that oxygen level of water it reduces. Next ahile oil spill. Oil spill ki hoy ketiaba jodi giant oil tanker ba oil rigs oceaner মাজত damage হৈ যায়, this leads to floating of oil and that forms a layer above it and it does not allow sunlight to pass through. Aru ketiba natural disaster like flash flood, hurricane, okay, this causes intermixing of water and with harmful substances and that also increases the pollution level. Tar pisot ahile air pollution aru bahut different causes thake, most important being combustion of engines, okay, vehicle automobile user karone sobotke besi pollution tar pray hoy, tar karone air pollution bahut besi hoy aru yar logote sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide are released from various industries, okay, this leads to acid rain or karone amar buildings bur damage hoy, acidity barhi jay, plants affect hoy, right, acid level to barhi jay in the water and that causes damage to the buildings and other public properties and along with it plants, okay, hetu eta dangor cause hoy air pollution or karone acid rain, etu eta consequence hoy. And then burning of plastic, wood and rubber release, okay, this all releases carcinogenic gases. Carcinogenic mane hol cancer producing and that deteriorates the air quality and also leads to a lot of different types of diseases. The next news is regarding the launch of River Atlas portal on the 10th foundation day of Assam State Disaster Management Authority, ASDMA. Yat eta session hoisile known as knowledge sharing session on flood early warning system which was held at Assam Secretariat, okay, and yat a particular River Atlas portal to launch kora hoisile. These maps, they are going to provide useful information, okay, regarding the rivers along with other features like road, railway lines, bridges, embankments and other important features. They will also be useful to study different watershed characteristics of the river basins. Next news is on a report by NITI Aayog, the report for formulation of strategy for flood management works in the entire country and river management activities related to the border areas was released, and according to the Rashtriya Bar Ayog, it estimated that the total flood prone area of our country is about 40 million hectare and out of it nearly 21 million hectare can be protected if proper means are used. The key highlights of this report included constitutional position of the flood related issue, okay, then flood management system at both central and the state level, issues in flood management, why despite of knowing about this major natural disaster we still have to face this problem every year, okay, and then what can further be done in this regard so that the intensity of damage can be reduced. Constitutional position ahile etu dekha goise je the subject of flood control, unlike irrigation, it is not present in any of the list of the 7th schedule. State list of drainage and embankments boli ase and union list of regulation and development of interstate rivers and river valleys, e duta topic mention hoy ase, but a subject to flood control boli directly nai. Flood management system kenikwa hoy in central as well as state level. Central level of Central Water Commission, Ganga Flood Control Commission, NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority, enikwa dhoroner kisuman bodies ase, okay, that are concerned with natural disasters. They work for it and also work for flood control. Our state level of Water Resource Department, Technical Advisory, State Technical Advisory Committee, Public Work Departments, ebila involved hoi thake. Issues in flood management. Flood management or main issue hoise high degree of monsoon variability. Prottek bosore eke dinakhonor pore monsoon start nohoy. Every year it's different, and because of various monsoonal features like El Nino, La Nina, ebilakor karone intensity of rainfall is also different every year. Aru hei karone আগতিয়াকে ইমান বেছি আমি গম পাও যে মনসুন পিৰিয়ডত ফ্লাড হ'ব পাৰে কেতিয়াবা, বাট কিমান বেছি হ'ব, কেনেকে এফেক্ট হ'ব, তাৰ ইম্পেক্ট কেনেকুৱা হ'ব প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে, হেতু আগতিয়াকে ইমান বেছি প্ল্যান কৰি ৰাখিব নোৱাৰি। আৰু মোৰ ওভাৰ ফ্লাড প্ৰটেকশ্যন ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ যিবোৰ আছে, এম্বেংকমেণ্টছ, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যিবোৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ থাকে, স্পাৰ্ছ, these are not well maintained. Eta bosorat jodi bonayo dia next year or karne hekhini belekke maintain kori rakhibo lage, so that each year they are they provide support to the population who is residing in the areas near the river, right? But every year hekhinir bhal maintenance nohoy, and because of that also we have to face this problem every year. Flood protection works are done more as a firefighting instead of preventive measures. What we do, je jetia flood hoy, jetia already declare hoy jay, tetia he kaam kora start kore. Agote etur karone kono dhoroner safety measure hisabe khub kom kaam kora jay. And next, non-involvement of beneficiaries in the maintenance of flood protection work. Now coming to the recommendation, what can be done? Okay, flood management and border area program will be continued for the period of 21 to 26. Initially it was planned kora hoisile till 2020, and structural measures like reservoir, embankments, interlinking of rivers, this needs to be done. Okay, non-structural measures kisuman ase, floodplain zoning, kun kita area basi affected hoy hetu agote jodi ami zone kori rakhu tete hole mitigation help koribo. Okay, risk reduction and risk mitigation in enekwa dhoroner kamot help koribo amak. Watershed management, enekwa dhoroner steps bilak jodi ami law tete hole this will help us to cope with the problem. We cannot stop rainfall, right? We cannot stop flood, aru hetu noholeo amar karone digdar. Jodi monsoon nahe, then also it is going to affect us severely, but we have to find a way so that this does not disrupt normal functioning of lives of the people. Next news is regarding a draft plan for the district-wise export promotion. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade has prepared a district-wise export promotion draft plan for 451 districts, and after identifying products which has export potential in about 725 districts. These products includes agricultural and toy clusters and also GI products. And also the district export promotion committees have been notified in the districts of all the states except for West Bengal. The key proposal of this plan will include that the state government and the union territories will be assisted by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade in preparing an annual export ranking index of different districts. Protection districtore export ranking index prepare kora hobo every year of the states and the union territories, and the district export action plan will be translated into a tangible action on ground. Yar kisuman benefits thakibo, far-reaching benefits, which includes the farmers, small industries and MSMEs. They will get benefit of benefit and also the opportunity to export their products in the overseas market. And this is also going to attract investment in the district to boost manufacturing and exports and provide ecosystem for use of technology and innovation at the district level. Reduction of transaction cost for the exporter at various stages, okay, and this in turn will generate the employment in district. Protection district tote jodi nijor product eloke export koribo pare, then they will need more people for in certain factories and industries, right? This will engage more people and in turn it will provide employment. And in the next 3 to 5 years, it is targeted that export growth of double digits from 500 district of the country. A plan to etu target kora hoise je within the next coming 3 to 5 years jitu export growth hoy hetu double digit pabo boli akha rakhise. Next, let us have a look at the questions. Question number 1, discuss the aims and objectives of Khilafat movement. To what extent was it successful? Number 2, elaborate the impact of National Watershed Project in increasing agricultural production from water-stressed areas. Number 3, coastal sand mining, whether legal or illegal, poses one of the biggest threats to our environment. Analyze the impact of sand mining along the Indian coasts, citing specific examples. And the last question, question number 4, the 1857 uprising was the culmination of the recurrent big and small local rebellions that had occurred in the preceding 100 years of British rule. Elucidate. This was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again tomorrow with another session of newspaper analysis at Borthakur's IAS Academy. Till then, take care and keep learning.
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS একাডেমি প্ৰস্তুতি আৰু অধ্যয়নৰ নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য ঠিকনা
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS Academy